This video will show you how to recover your username if you've lost both your username and your password. You start from the main menu, you go to Cloud Connect, and then you go to Account Setup, and you go to Recover User ID. And then you have to go get the 6-digit code that's after BWG SPA that's written on your module. Your BWG module will be located most likely on the sides, behind one of the panels on your hot tub. There'll be a 6-digit code, and in this case, the one I'm demonstrating here, it is 71F4CC. Enter that information, and then you have to enter your questions. And in this case, you can see here I recovered what my user ID is, and then since I have my user ID, I can go and reset my password.